In this video, we will learn how to create automatic round of ledger in Tally. To create an automatic round of ledger, we have to first see that what is the need of creating such ledger. For that, we are going to take an example. In this sales voucher, you can see the total invoice value is 9,999 rupees and 95 paisa. That is, it is not rounded off to the nearest multiple of any digit, that is 1 or 10 or 100, anything. To do so, we have to go to create from gateway of Tally, and then we have to select the ledger option. Here we can give the rounding of ledger name as round off, and then we have to select the group. For creating round of ledger, we have to select indirect expense. Now here type of ledger as invoice rounding, and then you have to select the rounding of method that you wish to select. Here I am taking normal rounding, and you have to select set the amount of nearest multiple of 1 or 10 or 100, whatever you want. Here I am selecting it as 1, and then you have to simply press enter key and save the window. Here if we go to that voucher again and we set the round off ledger here, then you can see automatically this round off amount is there and the amount is rounded off to the nearest multiple of 1. By this way you can set the rounding of ledger, which can automatically round off all your accounting entries. Thank you.